Hello and welcome to another episode of Nutmeg Notes by Tejali. Today I'm sharing my red chili based recipe, which is a very useful condiment to have in your kitchen. It serves as a great marinade for tofu or paneer if you're a vegetarian like me, or for your meats and your seafood as well. You can use it as a sandwich spread on your bread or on your tacos. In your shawarma, you can add it to a yogurt based dip. It makes everything taste more flavorful and it is not so unhealthy. So let's get started. Let's go through the ingredients for our red chili paste. I have about 1 cup of red chilies. I suggest you take half Kashmiri chilies or any chili which can give you a bright red color, and they are not really that spicy, and half of chilies which give you the spice. So it's a great combination when you add it to certain snacks or certain dips. It gives you a wonderful bright red color. So I soaked them overnight, and then I also soaked these 2 cardamom pods. These cardamom pods are important in this recipe as they give you a wonderful smell to the entire marinade, so do not miss this. Then I have half a cup of garlic, and this is half of the chilies. I have about 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then I'll be adding a little bit of salt. So you see, it's a very simple recipe, a very simple method. All I'm going to do is grind all the ingredients, add a little bit of salt. So let's get started. Hi, so now I'm going to grind all the ingredients. I have 1 cup of dried red chilies which I had soaked overnight. I also soaked 2 pods of cardamom. It's very easy to grind when you soak the cardamom along with the chilies. Then I have about half cup of garlic, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a little bit of salt. You can add a little bit of water if you want. If you see that it doesn't mix very well, you can add a little water, because this is a marinade and you're going to store it in the fridge and use as and when you need it. So let's get started. Finally, our red chili paste is ready. It makes a wonderful marinade for your meat, your seafood, or your paneer and tofu if you're a vegetarian like me. You can add a little bit to yogurt and it makes a wonderful dip and a very quick one. Then you can also add it as a sandwich spread if you're making a Mediterranean salad, and then you add this as the base, and then add your salad and maybe a little bit of hummus. Even shawarma, it tastes amazing, and even the Mexican fare tastes really good with this. So do give it a try. It's a very simple recipe. It can be stored for a couple of weeks in your fridge. I always store it in an airtight container, and it stays very well for a long time. Do give it a try and post your pictures below this video. Also, please like, follow and subscribe to the Nutmeg Notes YouTube channel. See you next Friday. Bye-bye.